Hello students, from now I will be taking your English classes. I am Mrs. Sonu Agarwal. I've done all my education from Allahabad. I have done my graduation and post-graduation from Allahabad University, and I have done my post-graduation in English. My complete schooling is from Girls High School, which is a English medium, and ICSE ISC board. I have done my B.Ed from Agriculture Deemed University. Now for last 20 years I am in this profession. I am teaching English, and at present I am a senior English lecturer in Ewing Christian Public School, Prayagraj. Even I am a CBSE evaluator. I go for evaluation. Then I have started spoken English classes at Jagat Taran Degree College, that is in Prayagraj. Now let's begin. Today I have taken the topic, the article, the very basic thing, as it is a bit confusing, so I thought I should select this topic. Now the article. What is the article? The adjectives a or an and the are called the articles. In reality, they are demonstrative adjectives. They are used to point out one person, place, or thing. Thus, there are two types of articles: a or an and the. I will make you clear more. Now, what is adjective? What is adjective? Adjectives is a word that describes a noun or pronoun, or it adds meaning to it. So when we use article a or an, it demonstrates adjectives or nouns. So let's start. A and an. A or an is an indefinite article. Why? Because it does not point out any definite particular person or thing. We are talking about a or an. That is indefinite article. The is called definite article because it points out definite or particular person or thing. As a general rule, an article is placed before a common noun in a singular number, as this is a pen, here is an umbrella, the boy fell down, I saw a jackal in the field. So we'll do it in an elaborate way now. This is for sure that a or an is an indefinite article. That means it does not point out any definite or particular person or thing. And the is called definite article because it defines definite or particular person or thing. Now let's move on to next. A or an used according to sound. Now this is a very important thing. You have to understand the sound and then work accordingly. Whether to use a or an will depend on the sound of the word before which it is placed. Now let's start first with an. Before a word beginning with a vowel sound. Now first thing, what is vowel sound? What is a vowel sound? Just a minute. A, E, I, O, U. Vowel is A, E, I, O, U is vowel. Rest of the alphabets are called consonants. So before A, E, I, O, U we use an apple, an ass, an orange, an umbrella, an uncle, etc. Because here you are not having any type of vowel sound, consonant sound. Here the whole sound A, E, I, O, U is there. So this is vowel sound. So it is an. Before a word beginning with H. Can you see? H. which is not pronounced and therefore the beginning of the sound the word becomes a vowel sound. For example, R, honest, air. Here YH, it is H, and now you will say it is there is no AEIOU. So over here H is silent. हम लोग हार नहीं बोलते, honest नहीं बोलते, hair नहीं बोलते. Here we say R. H is silent. Are you getting it? H is silent. Silent means H की आवाज़ नहीं है. हमें H की आवाज़ नहीं लेनी है. We have to see there is hair. R, honest. So we use an. Then before individual letters spoken with vowel sound. For example, let's see. An MP, 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 MA, an SP, an SDO. Now the sound of M is EM. The sound of M is EM. Mind you, S की जगह ES. साउंड M की आवाज़ नहीं आ रही है. किसकी आवाज़ है? AM, M. So MP, an MP, an MA, an SP, an SDO. But mind you, not before BA. इसमें A लगता है. PM, GM, इसमें सब में क्या लगता है? A. Because यहाँ पे M की साउंड नहीं है. जहाँ पर भी wherever you will hear vowel sound, वहाँ पर AEIOU की जहाँ पे भी आवाज़ आती है वहाँ पे we are going to use an. Before a word beginning with a consonant sound. Consonant AEIOU के अलावा जितने भी alphabets होते हैं those are called consonants. A woman, a yard, a horse, a man. Clear? A man. Before the word beginning with the consonant sound of U, YU, though it may begin with a vowel letter. अब यूनिवर्सिटी, क्यों? यू आ रहा है. यू AEIOU, उसमें का वाई की स्पेलिंग है यू. यूनिवर्सिटी में ए क्यों हो रहा है? क्योंकि यहाँ पे यू की आवाज़ नहीं आ रही. यू वाई की. यूनिवर्सिटी, या यूनियन, यूजफुल, यूरोप, यूसेज. समझ में आ रहा है? यूलॉजी means here you have to focus on the sound. You have to keep in mind which sound you are getting from the word. ये बहुत ध्यान रखने का. इनमें क्या है? यूनिवर्सिटी, यूनियन, यूजफुल में यू की आवाज़ वाई पहले आ रही है. यू. सो वी आर यूजिंग ए, नॉट यूनिवर्सिटी में ये यूज़ हो रहा है. बिफोर अ वर्ड विद द साउंड ऑफ WU, woo, even though it may begin with a vowel letter. For example, a 1 rupee note. Here A is missing. A 1 rupee note. Can you see here? A 1 rupee note, a one-eyed giant. क्यों? Before AEIOU है, यहाँ पे आन होना चाहिए, लेकिन before a word with the sound woo है ना, 1 rupee, तो woo की आवाज़ है, इसलिए we use this A, not an. Before a word beginning with the sound H. अब यहाँ पे ऊपर वाले में H में था, लेकिन यहाँ पे था, यहाँ पे H साइलेंट नहीं है. A horse, a hero, a holiday. Is that clear? चलो next move on to next slide. Now next use of a or an according to context. अभी क्या use? अभी हमने समझा with the sound. Now with the context. अब numeral one. Give me a mango. A mango मतलब एक mango. A mango is one mango. A certain person. I saw a beggar. कोई भी एक beggar. I saw a girl on the street. I saw a boy. I saw a girl wearing white frock. ठीक है ना? कोई भी. I saw a certain person. कोई भी person. A class. A class में क्या है? A dog is a useful animal. यहाँ पे dog as a whole, एक dog की बात नहीं हो रही यहाँ. As a whole, पूरी कोई भी dog representing the whole class of dog. यहाँ we are not talking about a certain particular कोई भी dog. यहाँ पे पूरे representing the whole dog. Any. A child generally likes to play any child. We are talking about कोई भी बच्चा. A child generally likes to play any child. Certain quantity. कोई भी quantity के लिए. A lot of, a great deal of, a great man, a couple, a dozen, anything related with quantity. Certain numbers, 100, a million, 1,000, 100, a million, 1,000. Before half, जहाँ पे भी हम लोग half लिखते हैं, 1.5 kilo और a kilo and a half holiday, a half share. But जहाँ wherever you will use half, we'll use the. Price, speed, ratio rupees like 10 rupee a dozen, 60 kilometers an hour, 4 times a day. ये क्या शो करता है? मीन्स इन कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ. यहाँ पे हम लोग द नहीं यूज़ करते, अ यूज़ करते हैं बिकॉज वी आर टेकिंग इन जनरल. यहाँ पर्टिकुलर नहीं है, यहाँ जनरल. इज दैट क्लियर? लेट्स मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. अब लाओ, लेट्स बिगिन विथ द. It is very important. The definite article the. When we speak of a particular person or thing, or one already mentioned, or one well known to us, we use the. Like shut the door. Like shut the door. Shut the box. Call the boy. यहाँ पे क्या, when we speak of particular person, कोई ऐसा या और थिंग और वन ऑलरेडी मेंशन, या जो पहले से हमें पता है, पहले से हमें मेंशन हो चुका है, वी यूज द. और वन वेल नोन, जो पहले से हमें पता हो, वेल नोन है. शट द बॉक्स. कॉल द बॉय. हु इज द गर्ल? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हु वॉज दैट बॉय हु केम टू मीट यू in this way. Then, before the names of rivers, seas, oceans, mountains, ranges, groups of islands, gulfs, canals, plains, deserts, seasons. Why? Because all of them are single. The Ganga, the Arabian Sea, the Jamuna, the Atlantic Sea, the Himalayas, the Lakshadweep Islands, the Sahara, the monsoon, the winter, the summer, the cold. मतलब जितने भी रिवर है, सी है, ओशन है, सब में क्या है? We use the, because they are particular, they are one. Before certain geographical names like the Punjab, the Deccan, the Highlands, before the names of certain books and scriptures such as the Vedas, the Ramayana, the Quran, the Bible, the Gita, the Guru Granth, जो एक है उसके पहले हम द लगाते हैं. Now you will ask कि द पंजाब कैसे है ना? Here we are particularly taking Punjab, then only. अदरवाइज सिटीज़ के नाम के पहले द नहीं लगता. सिटीज़ के नाम के पहले द नहीं लगता. बट व्हेन वी आर टेकिंग इन पर्टिकुलर, देन वी कैन यूज द. लाइक द पंजाब. बिफोर द नेम्स ऑफ शिप्स, एरोप्लेन्स, वेल नोन बिल्डिंग्स एंड न्यूज़पेपर्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जैसे शिप का नाम है द विक्रांत, द रेड फोर्ट, द ताजमहल, द इंडियन एक्सप्रेस, द हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स. दोज थिंग्स विच आर in one, which are single. Before superlatives, the oldest man in the society, Ram is the richest. Superlative, you know, the oldest, richest, finest, est. Then before the names of थिंग्स यूनिक ऑफ देयर ओन काइंड, जो अपने आप में एकदम यूनिक है. द सन, द मून, द अर्थ, द स्काई, द इक्वेटर, द सी, द ओशन, ऑल दीज थिंग्स विच आर वन. इन दैट वी यूज द. दीज आर डेफिनेट आर्टिकल्स. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. नाउ नोट, द इज ऑल्सो यूज बिफोर अदर सिमिलर टाइटल्स लाइक the press, the army, the reform. Just a minute. The press, the army, just a minute. Then before the names of important events, For example, the Reformation, the Mutiny, the French, the Great War. Before the names of the nations and sometimes before the names of community or class of people, for example, the Hindus, the English, the French, the Sikhs, the Jains, the Muslims, the Buddhists. Means ये क्या है? ये सब अपने आप पे before the names of the nation. Okay? जो अपने इंग्लिश क्या यहाँ सब्जेक्ट नहीं है. इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट के नाम साथ में हम नहीं लेते. द हिंदी, द इंग्लिश, द सोशल साइंस, ऐसा नहीं है. हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द इंग्लिश पीपल, द फ्रेंच, द सिख, द जैन, द मुस्लिम, द बुद्धिस्ट, द हिंदूज. यहाँ पे बिफोर द नेम्स ऑफ नेशन एंड समटाइम्स बिफोर द नेम्स ऑफ कम्युनिटी ऑफ द क्लास. Then before the names of the direction, the north, the south, east, west, all before, with the names of the things typical of their class, like अपने आप में जो एकदम typical है, particularly एकदम typical. The pen is mightier than the sword. Are you getting it? The pen is mightier than the sword. Here, see. Pen is mightier than the sword. Means pen plays an important role than the sword. Are you getting it? Then omission of the articles. कहाँ पे हम articles use नहीं करते. The article is omitted before proper nouns. Material and abstract nouns used in general sense, like London. London is the name of a proper noun. It's the name of a place. गोल्ड, ऑनेस्टी, वर्च्यू, ये सब क्या है? एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन्स हैं. इनके पहले हम नहीं यूज़ करते आर्टिकल. कोई भी ए एंड द यूज़ नहीं करते. इन सर्टन फ्रेजेस कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ अ प्रपोजिशन फॉलोड बाय इट्स ऑब्जेक्ट. एट वर्स्ट, एट स्कूल. अब ये द एट वर्स्ट नहीं कर सकते. द एट स्कूल नहीं. ए एंड द नहीं यूज़ होता यहाँ पे. एट स्कूल, फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम, at home, in hand, in bed, by train, by car, in depth, inside car, outside house, on top of the roof, on top, before the names of single mountains or single islands. जो single mountains हैं, islands, उसके साथ नाम के पहले भी the, a and यूज़ नहीं करते. Like Mount Everest, Sri-Lanka. Before the names of continents, countries, cities, months, languages, science, disease, and etc. January is cold month. English is spoken by a very large number of people. Science is my favorite subject. Disease में जैसे कि COVID is a very dangerous disease. Cities, countries, किसी के आगे भी नाम नहीं. Days, months, the Monday, the Tuesday नहीं लिखते. Days के आगे नाम ये articles use नहीं करते. We don't use articles. Before the names of continents, countries, cities, days, months, languages. इसमें ये articles omitted हैं. We don't use such things. Now, a very common error when we are very simple thing. It's a common error used by us. It is a way like the father. The first example I have taken. The father and son were absent. The father and the son were absent. This is right. The white and black cow were grazing. A white and a black cow were grazing. Just a minute. This is right, then this is right. A white and a black cow were grazing. I feel pain in my head. I feel a pain in the head. Then you have sent me a word to come. You have sent word to me to come. Can you see? A very minute. Earth goes round sun. The earth goes round the sun. She is very honest girl. She is a very honest girl. He is A-M-A-B-E-D. He is an M-A-B-E-D. Dog is faithful animal. The dog is a faithful animal. The iron is a useful metal. Iron is a useful metal. The New Delhi is capital of India. New Delhi is the capital of India. I heard noise. I heard a noise. I am in hurry. I am in a hurry. I have headache. I have a headache. This is a news to me. This is news to me. This is a news here. This is news. No I. This is news to me. Clear? Now one thing more. Now where you say the or the, एक word है the, कहाँ पे the कहते हैं और कहाँ पे the कहते हैं. Now the is used before consonants. अगर next word a e i o u होता है तो we say the. The father. Okay. Then the son, the father. The honest. The honest. Can you see? She is a very honest girl. Like अगर the honest होता है यहाँ पे, then जहाँ पे a e i o u होता है उसके पहले the बोलते हैं and otherwise the बोलते हैं. Okay, I hope students you have understood this article. Now in my next class I will take another topic. Till then, thank you students.